You've probably heard of mythical creatures in ancient legends and sacred texts. But there's one being that even gods fear to approach. A creature unlike anything we can fathom, beyond any scientific explanation. The being of light. A being that doesn't belong to our world. An entity invisible yet capable of altering the entire universe. The story of the being of light began long before you and I ever existed. No one truly knows its origin. What we do know is that, in the ancient records of civilizations like Egypt, Babylon, and Sumer, there are mentions of a strange light in the sky, unlike any star we know. The being of light is not a physical creature like us. It has no form, no face, and doesn't follow the laws of the universe that we understand. We're talking about an entity we can't fully comprehend. A pure light that transcends the limits of time and space. And you might be asking, where did it come from? Could it be from a parallel universe? A place where the laws of physics don't apply? Ancient texts from civilizations like Egypt and Sumer tell of the being of light not as a natural phenomenon but as a mystical sign. It is believed to originate from other dimensions, places beyond our world. When its light appeared, everything around seemed to freeze. Time itself would stop, and space would no longer move as we understand it. You might think this is just a legend. But these stories are not just myths, they're part of a truth that has been hidden for millennia. Can you imagine a being that has no fixed shape? The being of light is exactly that. Unlike any creature we know, the being of light can shift in every moment, transforming from a faint streak of light to a massive inferno, illuminating the entire universe. But here's the strangest part: you can't touch it. You can't even see it with the naked eye. It's a being that doesn't exist in our physical world. What form does it take? It might be a faint, ghostly light, or perhaps a colossal beam of energy stretching across the sky. Or maybe it's something completely alien that we can't even begin to imagine. This is the mystery surrounding the being of light. Its true form is beyond our comprehension. Its power, however, is undeniable. Can you imagine a being capable of altering space, time, and even the present and future in the blink of an eye? That's the power of the being of light. When it appears, space seems to tear apart, and the boundaries of what we know become meaningless. It can make time stop or easily travel between parallel dimensions. The being of light has the ability to manipulate energy in ways unimaginable to us. It can create catastrophic explosions of energy, but not to destroy, rather, to reshape, to alter the very fabric of a universe. It doesn't just travel through space, it moves through time, changing history or creating moments so bizarre that only a being like the being of light could pull off. Each time it appears, the world around us changes. A single gesture from it could bring down an empire, or revive a dying planet. Is there anyone strong enough to face such a being? Could we ever fully understand it, or will the being of light remain a mystery of the universe? So, what do you think about the being of light? A pure entity, invisible, with infinite power. Could it be life itself, or death, or merely light searching for existence? Perhaps we will never find the answers, but one thing is certain. When it appears, everything will change forever. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe the being of light truly exists in these parallel dimensions? Or is it just another fantastic story? Let's explore and share our thoughts together.